Who's not got chocolate left?
Yeah, chocolate, no peppermint.
Huh? No cinnamon, no,
Yeah, they're all out.
who's got an empty chocolate plate?
Are we
Nobody.
supposed to eat it?
What else would I suggest? Eat it! Eat it! You like chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh. Somebody was just peeking in that door back there. Could you, Carolyn, would you mind closing that door so nobody knows what we're doing? No, thank you. Where was I? Oh,
Chocolate.
oh, about four of that. Oh, pizza before that. So there's 10 weeks of experiments, 10 weeks of modeling, they're intertwined. There's 1 week where we go on a plant tour. I don't know how we're going to do that with 46, 47 students, but we'll figure that out. We could do a video. That's a possibility. Not very attractive, but it's a possibility. Seems like there's another weekend there that we do something special. I can't do it. We'll look at it in a minute. Grading. Let's look at grading. Got 5 experiments, and each experiment is worth up to 10,000 points. So you can get a total of 50,000 points on experiments. Question? You're just scratching your head. Modeling. There's 5 modeling assignments, up to 10,000 points for each modeling assignment. So that's 50,000. So you can do excellent on modeling experiments, you get 100,000 points. Great. 14 weeks of attendance, you get 1,000 points for each week. So everybody here already has 1,000 points, at least. And for your report, 10,000. For your presentation, 10,000. For a review of one of your team members' report, you get 5,000. I'll tell you a little bit more about the reports later, but you're going to write a report, and the first report complete you write, you're going to call a draft. And you give it electronically, probably, to another team member. They review that, make comments, suggestions for improvement or correction, and they send it back to you. You revise it, and then I grade it. What do you think about that? That's called teamwork. And the reviewer gets 5,000, up to 5,000, depending on how good the final report is. Is that neat? That's called interdependence, I believe. Am I right? Yes, sir.
What if you're the guy reviewing it is wrong?
If the
guy reviewing it
is wrong?
Yeah, it's wrong, you know.
How could that be?
That happens.
It happens. Well, I think it ought to be a team discussion of what's right and what's
I don't know if
wrong.
you want to just,
Huh?
I don't know if you want to just roll with what he says. Just accept it and write it.
Oh, I don't think you better do that. Let's say that you say, this is yellow. By the way, some people are colorblind. You say, this is yellow, and your reviewer says, it's not yellow, it's buff. Oh, I got something to show you. And you're not going to change what you see. Are you with me? Well, that may be a stupid example, but that's all you're going to get today. And then kudos. Kudos. Every time somebody gives a presentation, everybody's going to get a sheet of paper that you write the presenter's name on it and the date, and you write your name on it as an observer. And you're going to be asked to answer 3 questions about the presentation. Question 1 is, I think, what would you like to know more about? Question 2 is, what did you find most interesting? And question 3, do you have any suggestions for this presenter to make a better presentation. You give all those to the presenter. Let's say you're the presenter. So you collect 44 of those, or 6, whatever, how many. And you look through them, and one of them is particularly useful for you. And you hand that one to me, and that's called a kudos. Kudos means congratulations. And so I'll get one person given kudos, and the potential is you could get 40 of those, or 46 actually. So you could get a lot of points for kudos. Here, yeah.
What, all 40 of them are really valuable?
Okay, you can only pick one. Isn't that terrible?
I'm saying, could you, if you ask the reviewee, could you turn in like 20 of them were
No,
of value to you?
no,
Just one?
just one.
Okay.
It's just like the President of the United States. How many are there? Just one. No matter how many might be qualified and real good, how many are president? Only one kudos for, you're going to give a presentation once this semester. 46 people are going to give you these sheets, and you'll look over and say, oh, these two are equally valuable to me. Then you got to decide which one you should to me. That's hard, isn't it? All right. Hey, it's 2:58. Did I ask somebody to tell me when it was 3? Can we call it 3? For 10 minutes, go get a coat, go to the bathroom, drink of water, call your spouse or your girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever you need to. All right, meet you back there.